Welcome back guys. This is Altcoin Era. This is your boy Ahmed. Breaking news, the ETF has been approved. All spot ETF has been approved. Literally an hour ago, they have all been approved. BTC is currently at $45,887. It's up 0.84%. Ethereum is at $2,519. It's currently up a whopping 8.33%. Tether is at $1. BNB is at $302 and it's up 1.43%. Solana is at $100.76. It's currently up 3.93%. XRP is at $59 and it's up 5.19%. Cardano is at 55 cents. It's up a whopping 9.42%. AVAX is at $38 and it's up 12.55%. Dogecoin is at 8 cents and it's up 4.64%. Polkadot is at $7.84 and is up 11.42%. Tron is at 10 cents and it's up 2.64%. Chainlink is at $14.74 and it's up 9.03%. Finally, Matic is at 88 cents and it's up 11.03%. Top gainers today is Rocket Pool and it's at $35.14. It's up 24%. Number 2 is Arbitrum. It's at $2.17 and it's up 23%. And number 3, Blur, it's at 51 cents and it's up a whopping 16.75%. The top losers today is BitGet and it's down 3.33%. Number 2 is Stacks and it's down 1.3%. And finally, Bitcoin SV, Satoshi's Vision, is down 1.24%. As you can see, straight after the ETF news, the approval news, everything has gone green. From alts to Ethereum to BTC, they've all made green candles. BTC price targets. My next price target is at $50,000. That's my next price target. Currently at $45,900 and my price target still stands. Tomorrow is going to be a Thursday and tomorrow is the first trading day of the ETF. Now it's going to be very interesting, the volume and the demand for the ETF. And from there we will get a better understanding of where we might head further. But I'm still adamant that we're going to head to 50K very, very soon. Ethereum price targets currently at $2,515. Like I said in the previous episode, I sold all my Solana for Ethereum and we made a massive tear and broke the resistance. We're ripping right now and we made a massive pump of 10%. And that's massive for such a large cap coin as Ethereum. I think we're heading up higher. Ethereum price targets currently at $2,521. It's had a massive pump for such a large cap. I did say in the previous episode that I am going to sell my Solana for Ethereum, and that's what I've done. I rotated my funds from Solana into Ethereum. Price targets. Ethereum is currently at $2,526. It's made a massive tear and a massive pump. Just today, within the last few hours, it's gone up by 10%. It's broke the resistance line. It hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. It's broke that resistance line with massive volume. And now we're heading up higher. I did say in the last episode, in a previous episode, that I'm going to sell all my ETH, swap all my ETH for Ethereum. And that's what I've done. I think Ethereum was undervalued. And a lot of people were discrediting Ethereum and layer 1 protocols like Ethereum. And people were talking about that Solana is a monolithic chain and that it is much better and far more superior. But Solana itself is gonna have layer twos. It's not gonna be a monolithic chain. It's gonna have layer twos. It can't process that much capacity. The maximum it can do is 3,000 transactions per second. So Solana is gonna have layer twos. Ethereum is already well ahead of the game. It's far better than any layer 1 protocols or layer 0 protocols out there. My next target for Ethereum is at 3,500. The ETF news for Ethereum is not priced in. No one has priced it in yet. So it's gonna do a massive tear, a massive pump until middle of May. BTC dominance currently at 52%. It's made a massive red candle, huge red candle, and I think we've made a head and shoulders for BTC dominance. It broke past resistance. It hit resistance, formed a right shoulder, and now we're heading down. We will see if this plays out and it's a confirmed head and shoulders. But for now, it looks like a head and shoulders to me. We're going to go lower. Ethereum BTC chart. We've made a fake out. We've broke past support, made a fake out, and now we've made a huge green candle, and we're going up further and higher. This was a fake out. Like I said, it was pivotal that we hold this support. We made a fake out, we didn't hold it, we made a fake out, made a lower low, and now we're heading up higher. What we need to do is now make a higher high and then a higher low, and from there we can go back to the upper trend line. Solana price targets currently at $102.95. What we done is we went all the way down, hit this lower wick, we grabbed liquidity, and we're heading up higher. We made 1, 2, 3 green candles. We're breaking above this trend line. It is important that we break that trend line. Once we break that trend line, I can see it go higher to $116 and then go for its local top of $126. Arbitrum price targets currently at $2.19. It's made a massive green candle. Let's see what it did today, and it done 21%. It's currently up 21%. Like I said, guys, it bounced off the 20 MA line, and now we're gonna head up higher. I did say in my previous episode a good buy was Arbitrum. Arbitrum is gonna be a great beta play to Ethereum. This is not financial advice, but this is a massive beta play. It's already done all-time highs now, and I can see Arbitrum go higher. Even the platform, even the protocol is excellent. It's really good. The two best layer 2 protocols in Ethereum, in my personal opinion, Optimism and Arbitrum. Number 3 is Matic. I took a cheeky long at this range, and I'm in profit right now as we speak. The next target, the next resistance is $2.34, and then after that is price discovery. Total market cap excluding BTC and ETH, it hit my trend line to the T. It hit my trend line. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It hit my trend line to the absolute T. I said it was very important that we bounce off this support. And that's exactly what we did. We bounced off this support, and now we're going higher. It's incredible how some of these trend lines work. Guys, I don't use RSIs. I don't use complicated indicators. I don't use none of that. I just tell you where the best buy zone is and the best sell zone is. All I care about is buys and sells. That's all I care. I don't use any fancy indicators at all. I read these candles, and that's all I do. And that works for me. ADA. Price predictions currently at 57 cents. It's had a massive tear, big green candle. It's actually got to resistance at 57 cents. We need to break past resistance, get to this trend line. That's major resistance at this trend line. Do a bump and run. So what a bump and run is basically break this trend line, go back to the scene of the crime, hit this trend line as support, and go up further to the next resistance, which is 63 cents. That's the most confluence, that has the most resistance. Bear in mind, we had a fake out here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We hit that resistance 4 times. So bear in mind, guys and girls, that this has the most resistance at 63 cents. Finally, mint layer, currently at 90 cents, a whopping 90 cents. We've gone up literally from wick to wick. We've gone up 25%. In the last 3 days, we have gone up 51%. We're heading very, very close to the $1 mark. It's almost there. We've got how much to my target, my next target? We've got literally 16% to my short-term target, which is $1.06. I just want to shout out everyone that signed up to my private members club, and we bought mint layer a long time ago. I announced it to my followers at around 9 cents, around 9-10 cents, and literally congratulations to everyone that held, and it went up a whopping 1,251%. Congratulations to everyone that bought the dips as well. Shout out to everyone that bought the dips from here. They bought the dips. That was a good dip of 41%. And congratulations to everyone. We're very close to the mainnet. We got 19 more days left till mainnet, and I think it's going up higher. As long as this momentum and the euphoria still plays out, I think we're going to do well. Also, quick note, the S&P 500 is almost about to do an all new time high, which is unbelievable in what year we had. So it's just literally right now just almost 0.67% away from the all-time high. Yeah, 0.69%, literally 0.5% away from all-time new highs. So we've got a bull market in the S&P 500. We got a bull market in, guess what, the Japanese Nikkei. We've got a bull market in there as well. This is the Japanese stock market, and literally we've made an all-time new high. It took 35 years for a new time high. Even Warren Buffett is bullish about the Japanese stock market. It took them 35 years. The German DAX is also made an all-time new high. The French stock exchange has made an all-time new high. Literally everything in the space except for China. I'm going to end with one final chart, just to show you the situation that we're in at the moment. This is the gold ETF chart, and it first was approved in November 2004, and from that day it had a massive bull market. Some say a super cycle. I'm not saying that history is going to repeat itself, but it does often rhyme. BTC today has been approved, its ETF, and I believe we're about to see one of the most biggest pumps that we've seen. This is going to be biblical. Thank you very much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. Peace.